Now I like it more. It's a manual. And there's just a spring inside the hinge right there. That's brilliant. See how I'm still agile? So the rear wheel is sitting on the block. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrencher Mike. We are back at IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, looking for another addition to the channel. A lot of action going on. You can see somebody has purchased a car right there, or truck rather, and they're moving it up to the front so that can be hauled off. We're going to take a walk around and see what we can find out here as well. So if you see something that you like, well, you can join IAA. It's IAAI.com. You sign up, pay your little deposit, and you can bid on these cars. You do not have to be a dealer. You can be a regular member of the public. For most of the cars, there are some cars that you will have to be a dealer to purchase. I'm not. It's never gotten in my way, and I find all kinds of great deals out here. So let's see what we can find today. Here's something we haven't seen in a while. 2001 Audi TT Roadster. Yes, ma'am, with fancy wheels on it. There is some front damage. Okay, and as you can see, the headlight is a little misplaced right there. So we'll see what kind of damage we have on the other side. But let's just kind of enjoy the good stuff so far. I don't know, what do you think about the wheels? I guarantee those are very inexpensive tires. Okay, I like the TT here. I like this. I don't know what I think about this right here. Quattro, four-wheel drive. These were good-looking cars back in the day. They were just really, really stylish. But has time been kind to them? And here, well, life hasn't been kind. Here's your damage. So you will have some steering and suspension damage. You'll have to replace your fender there. How hard it's on how deep it goes, I don't know. This, you'll need a hood as well, and this could be broken. So you might even need a headlight. So this just got kind of expensive. I haven't seen a whole lot of these in the salvage yards. Not that I'm a salvage yard expert, but I go there at least once a week. I'm there at some salvage yard somewhere. And yes, I do drive to Oklahoma City and even Wichita if I need some parts. Let's see what we have here. Oh, she is okay, here we go. Now I like it more. It's a manual. And they've removed the steering wheel cover. Let's just kind of get in here and see. At one time, they had this closed, so you couldn't get in. But now someone has kindly removed it, and they've raised the seat way up high. Whoa. Okay, this is... What do you think that's to? Your battery? Perhaps. It smells pretty good in here. Look at that. I kind of like the cover. Aftermarket radio. This is cool. This is really, really cool. And there's your steering wheel cover. I don't know why they put it in there. The seats are manual? Really? Okay. Really? How do you go down? I see how it goes up. I just don't know how you lower it. Maybe you can't. Maybe I'm going to bang my head every time I get in and out of this thing. Well, sugar daddy, somebody has left the key. Well, no. Okay. Let's just see what's going to happen. And she is dead. She is dead as a doorbell. Doggone it. You have a Jiffy Lube sticker. 7-11 of 23. Next mileage or date of last service. Recommended next significant or signature service. 143,000 miles. 143,000 miles. Look at the dash on this thing. This is kind of cool. It is small, but you do get a back seat for your little teeny tiny kids. They have to be small to fit back there. What is this? Ozium air sanitizer. Cleans the air. Okay. I kind of like how that opens and closes. That's kind of nice. But somebody small did drive this car. Here we go. Maybe that will open the hood. Maybe the damage will prevent us from opening the hood. I got to duck as I get out of here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here it is. there you go. So damage-wise, I think you'd be okay unless there's some kind of a washer bottle or something back behind there. Sometimes Mercedes and BMW will put it back there. Here's your little four-banger right there. Okay, well, this is pushed. This is moved a lot. Yeah, this is kind of pushed up. Things have been rearranged a little bit in here. And I think that cover was for your battery, which is right here. You have all kinds of fuses and things right in there. A Go Fast air filter. Oh, I don't know. Has this been painted too? That's just dirt or wax, leftover wax, I'm guessing. But she has no power. I have no power. So we're going to have to just kind of walk on by. Yep. There we go. All right. 2001 Audi TT. Let's see what's next. Now we're talking. Remember the old 2007 Toyota Tacoma that I showed you in the last video or 2 videos ago? This one is from 2019. So 12 years later, this is what they have evolved into. I love the paint. I love the color. I love the wheels. And I love how they have it on display right here. So the rear wheel is sitting on the block to keep the car level. I'm guessing that's where the issue is. It's listed as a collision type loss. There is tread on the tires. You get a very nice bed cover back here. Rear camera, it will tow, it will pull. I just don't know if I can get under here without getting dirty. What do you see back there? Is there anything that looks weird? Let me know, because I really cannot see. I don't know why they would have it up there like that. I don't see any other signs of collision damage. I don't. Huh. Here you go. Look how that has even changed. Look at that. Instead of the bed just falling and going ka-chunk, it now lowers itself. And it's just a spring inside the hinge right there. That's brilliant. That really, really is. What is this right here? Okay, you get a power port. Get a little cubby hole over there. This is a working man's truck. Who doesn't want the full size? Who wants the Tacoma, not the Tundra? Oh, I like this. I can't get in though. They have this thing parked so close. We're gonna have to jump the hump. We're jumping the hump. Let's see what's in the back first. Okay. This looks new. It feels new. Cloth seats, and it smells like a Toyota. You know how they have that certain smell? Absolutely. This smells like a Toyota. It runs and drives like a Toyota too. Look, someone's been here before me. Did they jump the hump, or can we just see if it's going to start right here? There is some dirt right here, so apparently someone else has done this too. So here we go. Okay, hold on. Yeah, so when you're jumping the hump and you only have one hand because you forgot your tripod that you hold onto your camera with. Ugh. Here, this is how you do it. See how I'm still agile and, oh, somebody's short. Woo! Okay, so we are in the front seat and this is the view. Here we go. Okay, foot on the brake, engine start. Oh, she sounds good. I love how they have the displays. They give you a little movie and all that kind of stuff before. 60,000 miles. Let's turn this off. Oh, how cool is that? Okay, it kind of blinks on my camera, but that's all right. What kind of apps do we have? Oh, navigation, audio phone messages, traffic, eco. And that's where we are. Okay. 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive, fan temperature mode, power port. I like this right here for the display. And no, I cannot get my other foot over the hump. All right, but this thing idles like a champ. Of course, everything's gonna work. Oh, this is nice. So this is the smaller pickup. This is like a new Ford Ranger. Boy, I'd rather have the Toyota though. This is so, well, we do have a maintenance required. Door ajar. Those are the only two things. And my seatbelt. I'm not going to put my seatbelt on because I can't get my other foot over the hump. But I like this. I really do. Let's take a look at the engine. Open sesame. Come on. Oh God, this thing weighs a ton. Holy crap, that's heavy. Okay, hold on. I got to put the hoods. There we go. That is the heaviest hood for a little pickup truck I've ever felt. Here we go. This has the V6 engine, so this will be able to tow more. Looking at the sign right up here, the label. Once again, no corrosion. At least the other Tacoma had that as well. Absolutely. We do have a proper tie down for the battery this time. This is rock solid though. This is absolutely rock solid. I love it. I love the color. I love the engine. I love the look. I like the size. I love these little lights right here. So it's a little bitty work truck. I need this in my life. I really, really do. So the GoFundMe for Mike's next Toyota pickup truck will be, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to buy it. We'll buy my own pickup truck. I don't need GoFundMe. I'll be able to do that. Anyway, what do you think about this Toyota? You like the color? I do. I really, really do. And that, it's such an aggressive grille right there. And I guess, what else do we have? Adaptive highway? Cruise control maybe right there? Who knows? The lights are amazing. Ooh, Mikey likes this. And that's going to do it for another lovely walk around video. Thanks to my good friends at, right there, IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Super friendly staff. They allow me to come out here and take a look and kind of poke around all these cars and trucks and SUVs and ATVs and burned out whatever they used to be. Yeah, absolutely. So please like, please subscribe. Let me know which of these vehicles you think would be something good to add to the channel. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.